Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a look at LEGO Star Wars set number 75249, the Resistance Y-Wing Starfighter. This set includes 5 minifigures and 578 pieces. Let's take a look at the box. The sides of the box don't have anything too special, however on the front we can see the ship cruising through space. And on the back of the box, we can see that the ship is landed and the minifigures are engaging in a battle. What comes inside the box are 4 bags, 1 instruction manual, and a sheet of stickers. Alright, let's start building. Our first minifigure that comes with this set is Poe Dameron. He's a white shirt, pants that are similar to Indiana Jones's, and a scarf around his neck. He also has a fun satchel. Our second, and personally my favorite minifigure of the set, is the First Order Snowtrooper. There's quite a lot of detail on this figure's body. It comes with a white cape and quite a unique helmet. And if we take off his helmet, we can see he's quite angry about being the only trooper to have to face this entire ship. Third minifigure that comes with this set is the D.O. droid. Quite small and quite cute. That's what she said. Here we have our fourth minifigure, which is a very beautifully colored astromech droid. And here we have our fifth minifigure, Zori Bliss. Again, quite a detailed body and legs, comes with 2 pistols, and a very unique helmet. Alright, we just finished up building, and I think this set is awesome. Here are the 5 minifigures close up. Now the set does come with some very cool features. It has 2 spring-loaded missiles, which are featured under the ship. And all it takes is a quick tap on top, and they shoot out. Another feature that this ship comes with is a proton torpedo bay. You load the torpedoes in up top, twist the knob on the back, and the torpedoes drop. And once all the torpedoes have been fired, all you need to do, grab your torpedoes, load them back in on top, and you're ready to get back in the fight. This ship does have quite a lot of detail. I think it really encompasses and brings together the Empire kind of classic looking Y-Wing, but also captures that newer Resistance look with the white and red coloring. I bought this set for $60 including tax, and I think that it was worth every penny. It comes with 5 minifigures, which are all excellent choices in my opinion. And because of the simple detailing on the ship and how it really encompasses just that Y-wing look, I think it was absolutely worth it. If I had to rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, 1 being terrible, 10 being absolutely amazing, I would probably give it a 9. It really is an awesome build, a fun build, and an overall amazing set. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to tap that like and subscribe button with notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.